Hello, friends. Welcome to Speaking English Simply. Dear friends, are you struggling to speak English confidently? You are not alone. Millions of learners face the same challenge. But the good news is that improving your English speaking skills is easier than you think. Today, I am going to share 5 key effective and proven ways to help you improve your English speaking skills. Tip number 1: think in English. Stop translating in your head. It slows you down. Start small by labeling objects around you or narrating your day in English. Thinking directly in English helps you build natural fluency and reduces hesitation. Tip number 2: practice daily conversation. Find a speaking buddy or join online language groups to practice daily. Even if you are alone, talk to yourself in front of a mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Tip number 3: listen and mimic. Immerse yourself in English media. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and expressions. Then mimic what you hear to sound more like a native speaker. Tip number 4: expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and practice using them in sentences. Keep a notebook or use language apps to make this process fun and effective. Tip number 5: use technology. Use apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Cambly to practice speaking and get instant feedback. AI tools can also help improve your pronunciation and grammar. I hope these 5 key tips will help improve your English learning. So, are you ready to transform your English speaking skills? Start today. That's all for today. If you have any observations or queries, then you can comment. Have a nice day to all. Thanks.